Okay, another item to add on to my bar. This is a cocktail shaker set by Kitessensu. It is a 15-piece bar set, which includes these items right here. It shows 12, but I think there are multiple liquid pourers, straws, and picks. So let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so first impressions, everything is nicely wrapped up here. Here appears to be the spout pour for drinks. Ooh, pretty nice quality. It comes even with like this rubber cap. Oh, okay, there we go. So putting it on a drink. I have this holder right here. Bamboo holder, I believe, and it says the Kitessensu. And I believe this is where we start adding to our collection. So I'm gonna follow the pictures here and start unboxing the rest of the stuff. Right here we have tongs. Okay, I guess we put it right here. This is the cocktail shaker. Nice. Can't complain. Very simple. This will help my wife make her espresso martinis. Okay. Let's add it right here. We have a stirring spoon. I'm not sure where this gets added, but I guess I'll put it right here. The muddler. So grinding some drinks or meshing some fruit. We have a ice pick. Wine bottle or corkscrew. We have a metal straw with a cleaning rod. Not sure where it goes. And another metal straw right here. Another spout for our drinks. This thing, which is called a jigger, to help you measure your drinks. Inside you can see it has the measurements right here. 1/2 ounce or 15 milliliters. Over here, 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. And then there's another pick right here. One more liquid pour spout. And then we have this strainer right here. So when you make the drink, you could put the strainer on here and then strain the drink this way. I believe this goes right here. And I guess this cleaner doesn't really attach to this stuff. But that is basically it. the only other thing is this, ooh, okay. We have a cocktail book right here. Nice. So let's see if we wanted to make a icebreaker. Apparently it is half an ounce of tequila, or 1 ounce of tequila, half an ounce of control, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, 1 ounce grapefruit juice, and red garnet syrup, 1 tablespoon. Method: chill a classic glass, add all the ingredients and ice to a shaker and shake well. Pour into a chilled classic glass and add ice. Neat. So a little cocktail book. And yeah, this is our 15-piece cocktail set.